Hello everyone, in today's video I am going to show you how to download and of course install Chrome on MacBook in just a few steps. Okay, so let's get started. So what we're gonna do guys is, we need to go to our browser, of course, and you just have to search Chrome free download, okay? So in order for us to download this guys, you can click this one. Okay, have to wait, and you can actually download here. Okay, just have to click that one, and it is now, let's say, start download. Okay, so you have to choose guys where you are going to put that file, if it wants to put it to your document or download. So it's up to you. For me, I'm going to use download. Okay, you just have to click save, and now it is now downloaded. So you just have to of course click that one and install it to your MacBook. Okay, so that's it guys. So I hope you enjoy and learn from these quick tutorials, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick tutorials on MacBook. Okay, so thank you, bye bye.